Here. In this session, I'll be discussing about the classification of enzymes. So, as you all know, we have already read about the metabolisms of each carbohydrate, lipids, amino acids, and all those purines. In that, we have come across many enzymes. So, now we are going to classify those and we are going to give them surnames. In the sense, if I show you the enzyme of that, then we have to recognize that yes, it comes under this class. So this enzyme is divided, the classification of enzymes are divided into 6 classes. And they have given the mnemonic as OTHIL, OTH-LIL, right? OTH-LIL. What does it mean? It means that the classes or the enzymes which come under this Oxido Reductase, they are classified as class 1. The enzymes which comes under transferase, they are classified as class 2. And the enzymes which come under hydrolase, class 3, lyase, class 4, isomerase, class 5, ligase, class 6. So now we will be dealing about the classes of each. Try to understand what does it mean actually, right? So let us go with the first class here. In the first class, they have given the name as Oxido Reductase. So you should know the meaning of oxido and reductase, right? As you know, the meaning of oxidation is loss of electrons, reduction is gain of electrons. So in an equation, these enzymes, the oxido reductase, this class of enzymes are helping the equation where both oxidation, that means loss of electrons, and gain of electron takes place. Suppose if this is the equation, right, you got an A minus plus B. A donates electrons and B takes the electrons from the A. So donation of electrons of A is oxidation and gain of electrons by the B is reduction. So at the end of the equation, if we observe, there is no minus, that means A has lost one electrons, B has gained a negative charge, that is they gain and B gain electrons. So this is what you have to understand regarding the oxido reductase. So involved in transfer of hydrogen and other reducing equations also. They even transfer the hydrogen also, right? The oxidation, that in this equation they will be transferring of hydrogen, all such. But right now you just remember that loss of electrons, gain of electrons, that equation. But let's see what are the examples written in our notes. If you see, the first example written in our notes is oxidase, right? Oxidase. So what is it trying to tell here? So oxidase is nothing but an oxidase is an enzyme that catalyzes an oxidation reduction, especially one involving dioxygen as an electron acceptor. If you see this equation here, see this oxygen, right? Now this oxygen is acting as an electron acceptor from the hydrogen. So you can see the gain of electron, once it binds with this, it interlinked with water. So this is what you have to understand. The enzymes which end with oxidase, the enzymes which end with oxygenase, the enzymes which end with dehydrogenase, peroxidase, right? They come under this oxido reductase. That means the enzyme like dehydrogenase, right? Alpha keta glutarodehydrogenase, lactate dehydrogenase, all this, they come under this oxido reductase. It means that there is a transfer of electrons or there is a transfer of hydrogen atoms. If you see the next example here regarding this oxygenase. So what is the oxygenase enzyme here? The hydrogen is utilized to incorporate oxygen atom in the substrate molecule. If you see, this is a heme molecule. I want to incorporate a heme, want to take the oxygen here. Or when heme tries to incorporate the oxygen, it takes or it utilizes hydrogen from this NADPH and it converts into NADP. So the hydrogen is utilized to incorporate oxygen atom in the substrate molecule. So there is an utilization of hydrogen. So it is taking the hydrogen. So this equation is, this equation comes under oxido reductase, right? This is all you have to understand regarding the oxygenase. And the next one you have to understand here is dehydrogenase, right? Dehydrogenase. So what is it trying to tell here? In this dehydrogenase, an enzyme that